Hello friends, today we discuss how we can compress a string. I will cover both program implementation as well as logic behind it. And based on this program, we see what else we can design. Now, to design this program, we require Turbo C, code blocks or any other IDE or compiler. Here I am using code blocks. Earlier I have designed some videos. The first is top 10 differences between Turbo C and code blocks. And next one is installing and settings code blocks, for which I have provided URLs so you can also view those videos. Now I am writing the program. As usual, first I am including required header file. Now I am defining a macro max 100. It represents size of array. You can increase or decrease it as per your need. Now I am defining a string variable str with size max. Now asking user to enter a string to compress. Using getAs function. Now I am applying the logic, assuming first letter as current letter and count equal to 1. So I am writing char current equal to str of 0, since array index starts with 0 and integer count equal to 1. Now I am comparing with remaining characters. So I am performing a loop I equal to 1 till str of I is not equal to /0, which represent null character to represent end of the string. If str of I is exactly equal to the current character, we can perform count plus plus. But if the str of I is not equal to the current character, we have to display the current character as well as its frequency. Now we have to assign str of I to the current variable, and we have to make count equal to 1. Now at the end of loop, we have to repeat this line so that the last character and its frequency will also get displayed. When I execute this program, I will comment out this so that you can understand what problem occurs if you do not write this line. Now the program is ready and I am compiling this program. Now executing it with some string data. So I am seeing A, B, C, D. So it is giving A4, B3, C4, D5. Now I am removing this line. Again compiling it and executing it with some data. Now if you can see, we are not getting the last character and its frequency. Now how it is working? For explanation, I am assuming that the input is AAA and output should be A3B2. This is str array of characters with index 0 to 4. Initially the current character is equal to str of 0, that is A, and count is 1. Initially I is 1, so the str of I is A. So A is exactly equal to A, so the counter increased to 2. This portion will not get executed. When I is 2, again we get the character A execute equal to A, so the counter becomes 3. So this part will not get executed. Next time I is 3, so at third index we have B, which is not equal to A. So this portion will not get executed. And current character becomes B and counter becomes 1. Finally, when the index is 4, the str of I is B, which is equal to B. Counter increased to 2. So the result is A3B2. Friends, what else we can do with this program? In place of taking input from user, we can read input from a file. Similarly, in place of displaying the output on screen, we can store the result inside another string. And finally, we can transfer the string into a file as the zip file will do. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share and like to support my channel Code with Bhupendra. Thanks friends.